Hi, and welcome to my Extreme Ads review. Are you looking for knowledge about Extreme Ads? You've come to the right place. Extreme Ads is here to generate eye-popping 3D meta-style ads for both Facebook and Instagram, and this is first of its kind to the market. This is a product created by Andrew Fox and Paul Lynch, and what it does is it will help you slash your lead gen costs by over 412%. Now these ads generate super low costs per clicks and you're going to really love it. Then you can design ads for other people as well by having your agency, and you can clean up the new hot trend of meta ads that's happening right now. Then it works perfectly well with both Facebook and Instagram. On this platform, so you can add any background, video, soundtrack. It's extremely flexible, and here is a video, and there is also a demo attached to this video that shows you how it works. Now, talking about the bonuses that you will get when you make this purchase, to deliver the bonuses, please send your receipt to this email in the link, and the bonus will be delivered 30 days after the purchase to avoid freebie seekers. Now, my first bonus is a hyper funnel formula, and this is by Andrew Fox, how he sold $7 million worth of products. You copy this A to Z blueprint for launching your first software and recording products. Then the second bonus is a video wrapper ink with all upsells, and it's valued at $447. You also send your receipt to this email, and the bonuses will be delivered 30 days after purchase. Now, what this does is it creates amazing eye-popping, attention-grabbing viral videos that skyrocket engagement and traffic for any business in less than 3 minutes. You can see an example of what it does on this link in the description. So this is all there is about Extreme Ads. Now watch this video by the product owner and see the power of Extreme Ads.
Hey everyone, Andrew Fox here, and guess what? Paul Lynch and I are back. Now, well, today I'd like to tell you about our new 3D ad maker called Extreme Ads. Now, this creates amazing, eye-popping, attention-grabbing ads. You can create ads like this, or maybe you fancy a bit of an Iron Man theme. How about we go with this? Or what about a Halloween theme? Bit spooky. Extreme Ads is actually one of the first to the market, and there also includes an option for unlimited videos. No other service is offering this at the moment.
Hi guys, it's Paul Lynch here with a quick walkthrough of our amazing new software that launches on the 22nd of March, Extreme Ads. So I've just logged into the software and I can pick to create an Instagram video or a Facebook video. So I'm just going to click on Facebook. And from here we can quickly edit one of the templates just by hovering over. You can see the animation and just click customize to edit that really quickly. I'm just going to create a new video. So from the left hand side, this is where we will add our header, so we can add images, videos, or you can upload images or videos. So for example, here on our library's got millions of royalty free images and videos, so I just put snow in there. You just choose any one of these and then you can crop the actual photograph wherever you want. Click done and that will add the header here. Okay, but I'm just going to upload my own image here of my business partner Andrew Fox. So we're just going to click on that. Just make this just a slightly bit bigger and done. Okay, so there's the header done. Now we can edit the number of likes, so you just double click in there and choose whatever number you want. 997. Okay, the username, again, just double click, and you can actually upload the profile picture as well. So this works really good if you get the exact one from the Facebook account. So there's Foxy again. From here we can add our header. We can also add emojis. So if I put search for the fire emoji, your headline here. Just add that on. Okay guys, and with the text editor you've got all the different fonts up the top, all the different colours, but this is actually set to San Francisco, which is actually the Facebook text font that they use. So we've just added the text. We can then just add the hashtags. So and then if we highlight the hashtag and change the colour to blue, that makes it look very realistic. And the whole point of this, guys, is to make it look very realistic. Okay, just like a Facebook post or an Instagram post. So from here we click on next, and this is the fun part, because now we get to choose an animation. So if you keep your post there to the right, and then you can scroll down the animations, and when you click on one, it'll automatically appear in the post. You can have a quick watch, and if you feel that that's the perfect one for you, you can just click next to export the video. But we've got so many to choose from, with new ones being added by our animation team all the time. So I'm just going to click on the Iron Man one here. This is brand new, that just came in yesterday. Okay, so that looks good. I'm going to click next, and I'm then going to submit the video. So now it will export. So as you can see, it's processing. I can go off and do another video and come back and then download. So once this is ready, see one that I did here, we can click download the video. So just download that now. That saves to your desktop. And you can also edit the video. So let's say you did a spelling mistake. You can just click edit, and it takes you right back to the exact video that you just created, and then you can edit anything. Or you can even, if we click next, there's the Iron Man animation. Say you wanted a different animation, you can just click a different animation, then quickly export. Get back to that same page by clicking on my videos. As you can see, that one is still exporting. And you can also edit the names. So if you're an agency and you're making them for clients, this one could be Joe Blogs, Facebook, Iron Man. Click save. So just so you can keep everything neat and tidy. So if you have to go back and edit stuff and re-download, you can. Okay guys, that's the quick tutorial for today. 22nd of March this month we go live. Be ready, make sure you're on the early bird list. This is going to be an epic launch, and we're going to have some amazing early bird discounts available for you guys.